Stainless steel gas grills are one of my favorite categories of grills. Not only do they look great, but they're also built to withstand sun, snow, rain, salt, and years of continuous use. There are many products available to choose best stainless steel gas grills, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best stainless steel gas grills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. CharBroil 2-burner cabinet liquid propane gas grill. The CharBroil Performance 300 is a 2-burner 24,000 BTU stainless steel propane grill that provides 300 square inches of primary cooking space, plus an additional 100 square inch swing-away rack, ideal for warming sides and toasting buns. Those looking for style, durability, and convenience will like the stainless steel design, which features a lid-mounted temperature gauge and fold-down shelving system. Additional features include a push-button ignition, a removable grease pan for easy cleanup, and a compact design that weighs in at only 82.5 pounds. All the hardware below the grill, including the burner tubes and shields, is also stainless steel. I like that CharBroil chose to use porcelain-coated cast iron grates on this unit. This not only deters rust and prevents food from sticking, but it also makes the grill easier to clean. Because of its size, the CharBroil Performance 300 heats up quickly, cooks food evenly, and doesn't take up a lot of space. The grill is moderately priced, easy to put together, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and compact, making this an ideal unit if you're on a budget, but still want to make a solid investment. Number 2. Napoleon Propane Gas Grill. The Napoleon Prestige Pro 500 gas grill is a full-size grill made of marine-grade 304 stainless steel, which means it's as sleek as it is tough. To start, it comes with 6 burners, 900 square inches of cooking area, and 80,000 BTUs of cooking output. This grill has several unique extras that most grills don't. In addition to night light control knobs and an illuminated storage shelving unit, Napoleon added an extra shelf with a bottle opener, condiment and towel holders, an integrated ice bucket, and a cutting board. If you like to host large gatherings but are tired of being stuck in the kitchen away from your guests, this might be the unit for you. Unlike most stainless steel outdoor grills, Napoleon patented a wave-style cooking grid, which keeps food from falling apart and slipping down through the grill. Another convenient feature is the side burner, which heats to 1800 degrees centigrade in a few seconds, allowing you to sear your meat steakhouse style. If you want to self-baste your meals, move over to the rotisserie burner and work from there. There's a lot to like about this unit, particularly its versatility. Number 3. McMaster Propane Gas Grill. The McMaster is built for adventure. Inside this 16-inch stainless steel firebox are 199 square inches of cooking space and 2 burners that supply up to 16,000 BTUs of evenly distributed heat. Not bad at all, especially when you consider the cost and features of this little unit. This grill weighs under 20 pounds and includes foldable legs and a lid lock system designed for easy, lightweight transportation, making it ideal for road trips, camping trips, picnics, and tailgating. Below the hood, you'll find a stainless steel cooking grid. Underneath that rests 2 stainless steel flame tamers. These distribute heat around the entire cooking surface and protect the burners from drippings. Each burner is controlled independently and easily ignited with the dials press and turn. This grill may be small, but that's exactly why I've included it in my list. It's one of the best portable stainless steel grill models I've found. It's tough, lightweight and easy to carry, inexpensive, and includes everything you need, and nothing that you don't. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.